Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the door handle on a Kia Sportage. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical faults. Remove the inner door panel using a trim tool, keeping screws and clips in a labeled tray. Inspect the interior linkage and compare the old handle to the replacement to confirm fit before installation. Keep a clean workspace and take photos if needed to speed reassembly and prevent mistakes. Carefully remove all screws and hidden fasteners around the armrest and door edge, then pry the panel gently with a trim tool. Work slowly to avoid snapping plastic clips and keep track of each fastener in a container. Once loose, lift the panel up to release it from the window channel, then disconnect any electrical plugs for power windows or locks. Set the panel aside safely to prevent scratches while you access the inner door components. In this video, I will show how to replace the door handle on a Kia Sportage. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your garage, keeping your hands free while you work. It's compact, easy to set up, and can run timers and play tutorials while you follow steps. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the linkage rods from the old handle, noting their orientation and clip positions, so reassembly is simple. Unbolt the handle assembly and compare the bracket alignment to the new part, adjusting as needed for a precise fit. Install the new handle, reconnect the rods and clips, then operate the latch and lock to confirm smooth movement. Only reinstall the interior panel after verifying full function to avoid repeating steps or having to reopen the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.